So basically, only the stove knows the power of the fire. Only the closest person knows the real character of you. Like, everybody thinks I'm a comedian. I'll be, just, doing jokes at home continuously. So people always ask my wife, is your husband very funny at home? He's saying, no, he's just like any other husband, horrible at home, So it's exactly Jai Bhai Ji Khabar Chuluk hai. And then the other one also, which is very, very relevant today, is Aan Mani Jagdo Chuto. Basically, it's okay to say sorry. Relationship is more important. You have to let go of one ego. Like you see, this Russia-Ukraine war has been going on for the last, 3 years now. It's just about egos, So it's basically, some Sindhi should tell both, Putin and Vlad, the other guy Zelensky, Aan Mani Jagdo Chuto, The other one is, again, which I like very much, is Jetro Kaido, Hotro Faido, always stick to your times, stick to your deadlines, which is also very, very important. When we do comedy, we are supposed to do 10 minutes. If somebody does 12 minutes, 13 minutes also, they look down on us as comedians. So basically, Jetro Kaido, Hotro Faido. How much ever you basically stick to times or deadlines, you will always prosper. Time is the currency. The other one also is very nice. I like this one very much. Sachata Vetho Nacha. If you speak the truth, keep on dancing with joy, Always speak the truth. And actually, this is, if you really look at it, Mark Twain, the very famous poet, had also said, if you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything, right? So, Sachata Vetho Nach. Then the last one, I think, not last, but 3-4 more to go. Sabar jo phal mitho aaye. Patience always brings a very, very sweet reward. So, always be very, very patient. Don't be in a hurry. The third one, this is my grandfather used to say, I am a Shikarpuri, so we were basically financiers. And for any financer, interest is very, very important. So, he used to always say, Vyaj aaye, surti ghodo. Basically, say that topi hai to gaurav. You have a cap on your head, down underneath, you're fully naked. And the last one has also one favorite word of mine. Please don't feel offended. Okay?
For long periods. So, I don't know if anybody can guess the kachari here. It's a bit of a googly. Kachari are dried vegetables which would be dried in the season to be used the rest of the year when the weather was not good enough for agriculture. Those are turnips, and that's something we share with the Kashmiri community as well. We dehydrate a lot of our food. I remember my chachi's family from Hyderabad. Every summer, big parcels would arrive with dried karela, with dried bhindi, with dried leaves, and which after that is dal pakwan, which was served in a library, and the library had caveats. You can't cook here, you can't heat anything here, everything has to be dry, nothing can drip. But how can you make Sindhi food without dal pakwan? And thus was born my little dal pakwan, pretty little tartlet. And next